welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Wednesday the 16th of December 2015 and we're briefly covering the Fed's announcement that it has raised interest rates by 0.25%. After 2,556 days of record low interest rates, the US Federal Reserve has at last raised rates by 0.25%. Quote, given the economic outlook and recognizing the time it takes for policy actions to affect future economic conditions, the committee decided to raise the target range for the federal funds rate to 0.25% to 0.5%, unquote, the FOMC's post-meeting statement said. Quote, the stance of monetary policy remains accommodative after the increase, thereby supporting further improvements in labour market conditions and a return to 2% inflation, unquote. Many market commentators have predicted this rise. In fact, earlier today, Gapen, Barclays' chief US economist, said that the Federal Reserve's goal is to raise interest rates and avoid causing any market turmoil. Speaking on Bloomberg TV, Gapen said, the Fed has a very real and very tangible fear of spooking investors. Jack Welch, the former boss of General Electric, stated on CNBC today that rates should have been raised 3 months ago, before the rout in the commodity market got underway. He added, quote, it would have been better to go last time actually. Conditions were better. The economy is not any stronger. The commodities have gone further down, unquote. Until now, policymakers have been at pains to stress that their actions were dependent on the state of the economy. The most recent bulletins from the labour market, which showed 211,000 jobs created in November, and inflation, a core measure, hit 2% last month, gave officials the extra confidence they needed in order to move rates higher today. European stock markets have already closed before the announcements were made, and it shall be very interesting to see their reaction when they reopen tomorrow. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index jumped 160 points in early trade, fell back, and rose slightly again on the announcement, and is currently standing at 17,625, up 101 points on the day so far. Both gold and silver rose prior to the announcement, up 1% and 2.5% respectively, and at the time of this video, gold stands at $1,070 and silver at $14.19. So, what do we make of this? Well, the rate rise was expected. Despite what Peter Schiff and others claimed, that there was no way the Fed could raise rates, they have been proven wrong. Yes, to some degree, they were backed into a corner. The dollar is slightly up on the day, though traditionally, when rate announcements have previously been made, the reaction has ironically been to fall slightly. We shall no doubt see a little turmoil for a couple of days, but we hold fast to our view that the short-term trend for gold and silver is still down from these levels. We hope you have found this video helpful and informative, and would appreciate it if you would give it a thumb up, comment, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Please share this on Twitter and follow us at Illuminati Silver. Also, do view our website at www.illuminatisilver.com and subscribe to our free mailing list for special mailings, bulletins, and offers in future. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management, and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.